On last week's episode,
people are going crazy in the comments. God forbid a girl has an opinion like this is my life. People panties is in a bunch. Me and coffee do not get along.
they have stuff locked up.
You know, girl math just pissed me off. Me and my mama at our favorite place. We just like going outside and spending money. Literally hit the jackpot.
Well, that was nasty.
I'm doing my deep conditioner, but I gotta get my meal.
I'm already tired. My butt.
I love the Avalon. I'm waiting on my mom and my friend. We are going to do a mat Pilates class. So my actual Pilates studio put it on, and the teacher's hard, so my mama is in for a run for her money, but I'm excited. The green, like right now I'm in the shade, but the greenery is like not in the shade, so we'll see. Got my 3-pack for Pilates. Ooh, people are already out here.
But it's, y'all gonna say it's shaded though.
We can go them 3 right there.
JC coming.
High volume.
Rich ass niggas throw that money. JT, you know I'm vicious. Fancy lip gloss and I'm blowing kisses. Pulling up with 40 bitches. They jumping in the pool and they showing tits.
How was it?
Very tough.
We'd like to congratulate Bugs for winning the war on Bugs.
Who's our net?
Hey, but I'm happy I saw you today. Hey, I'm a geek boy till I'm in the box. She got golf or swag, but it's Ricky. Don't like when I buy her shit. Either want my money or she picky. But I'm happy I saw you today.
I'm at this influencer event for this black-owned, what is it, ice cream shop, but I don't know where it's at. I think it says it's right there, but it's no one. I'm confused, child. So let's see. This is it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's super full, so sorry.
OMG. A banger. They said this apple lemonade is their best seller. I don't know why I didn't get any napkins again. This is a banger.
Okay, Professional Santana. This is so cute, and I love that it already has the little hourglass. Period, because your girl can be bad, a baddie in an NBA, okay? But yeah, I'm going to my NBA meeting. Welcome back to another day in the life of a baddie getting her MBA. So today was orientation, and UGA always goes out like we have the cutest little bags. They're always going to feed us the charcuterie, and then they had some beef or steak. I don't eat steak. Mashed potatoes, lots of different desserts, all of the cocktails you can imagine, and I was just so excited. And now I am ready to start. I actually start September 30th, so you'll see a little of me going to school, but they gave us all these goodies and I'm so excited. Hopefully this 2 years flies past because I haven't went to school in 5 years. So yeah, and a cute picture of me. We made it, and my bag is 51.5 pounds, and I'm going shopping, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I guess I'm just gonna get jewelry because I don't know how, but I want to go to Subi. I want to try their jeans, be a real Atlanta gal. So yeah, I don't know how to fit it, but we're on the way to Fashion Week. We have made it. It's a little gloomy, but it says it's supposed to be up to 80 degrees, so I don't know what I want to eat. I don't know if I want a good old New York bagel or do I just need to skip. It's noon. I'm just going to skip straight to lunch and get me a sandwich. I got to ask my friend, is it too early to drink? I don't think so. It's never too early to drink. We're hanging with us. So yeah, give me a little something.
Come with me to New York City for Fashion Week. So this is me just arriving in my cute little aloe set. And I went to an event by Creative Girl Connect by Kayla Walker. It was so cute. In Saint Resto Lounge. It's a black-owned lounge in Manhattan. They have the drinks flowing, everything. And this was cool. I got a hair analysis. It told me like what products work best and even my hair type. And then had a little dance break. Thank you. Then I was trying to figure out what I wanted to eat. I kind of did want Sugar Factory, but I eat that all the time. It's so basic, but I like it. I went to Jasmines Caribbean Cuisine. I give it a 6.5. And okay, Secret had her little thing in Times Square. And then I got this Baskin leather PR box with a bonnet, some curling cream, the edge control, shampoo, deep conditioner, coiling gel, you know, all that jazz, brush, some edge brushes as well. So I can't wait to use. Day 2 in New York Fashion Week. So wasn't this so cute? I miss block parties, but I missed it. And we went to the Target tailgate and they did their big one. Lots of champagne, the drinks are flowing, all type of desserts. Like my waistline has expanded from this event, but they had a beauty section as well, and everything was so cute and so branded. Lots of things from NYX, Naturium, and Seichu, and then finery as well. You could smell the new perfumes, and they had like a little Southern style, and then they had a New England style with shrimp and like crab rolls. Then I went to the Noyz event and they're having a new perfume launch called Only Human. It is so good. I'm not just saying that. Like literally I've been getting compliments on it all day and it's long lasting. Like it's going to be on forever. I love this little red carpet and this was so cute. They gave us flash tattoos. So I got lucky and it literally took like 2 minutes and she did great. And my marketing brain, like I love when people have unique ways to do influencer events. I loved it and come back for more. Day 3 in NYC. So I started off with the acai bowl because all that drinking, I need some fruit, okay? And then me in the subway looking cute with my bowl. And this stop, I forgot what stop I was on, but it was so cute. And then I randomly found this consignment store on the way to the Met, and it was cute. Those wasn't my size or I would have got them, okay? Fendi, and then they had lots of shoes. Like, definitely try that place out. And good prices, too. They had some Chanel too. And then across the street, it was another one. I said, okay, La Boutique Resale. This one was cool too. Like, you're going to see the shoe room to die for. So, yes, they had everything. Celine Hermes. Look at the shoe room. Oh, my gosh. Like, all the vintage you could ever, like, imagine. In all the sizes. Then this is what I was really supposed to go to. The Met. And, of course, the Superfine Museum. And then I took this free tour. And it was the most boring tour ever. And it was around, like, Asian art. The Asian art wasn't boring, but, Lord, she was old. She was just retired. But, yes, back to this. Okay, Pat McGrath. This is the Superfine. They had all of the black designers, so Denim Tears was in there. That was actually worn by Andre, so thank you. Then Rooftop at the Met. This was pretty cute. And it was open to October. This was cute, too, the medieval. Then I went to Fumo and had me some Branzino. Child, I tore it up, okay? Definitely recommend Fumo. Then I went to the grand opening of this place of Corsica, I guess. I don't know. Had to get me some cookies to end the night. Okay, thank you. Going to get an acai bowl. And I really want to go to this one. I done passed like 20 acai bowls. I really want to go to Playa because I love Playa. But here's one right here I could have got. But yeah, we're going to the Met because I want to see the dandyism thing, of course. And yeah. So I loved all the influencer events. It was so fun. I'm going to insert them. I went to Target. I went to Noyz. I love Noyz. I'm going to the ones I love. Got some goodies that I'm going to show you. Yeah. But your girl has just been living, okay? Living and thriving. So enjoy the scenery. I had, everybody was boosting Bear Street fish fry. I'll insert a picture. It was undercooked. I was pissed. It was nasty. This man was staring at me like, you ain't never seen a baddie record herself. I don't know, thank you. But we have made it to the playa. The Met. And I've been here so many times and have never been to the Met. So this is what I'm going to see. Take a picture of me over here. OMG. I'm at Fumo. They have a lot of locations. Oh, yay! Okay.
So you want to do that?
Yes.
Anything else?
No, that's be good today. I have the biggest bug bite ever. It's like a literally third elbow. Like, look at that. Hate it. And I'm just like gonna enjoy. I'm gonna be, yeah, just people watching because I had to have them charge my phone because I'm not gonna be able to get home if you don't charge it. I'm direction challenged in places like I'm direction challenged. So I know how to ride the subway, but it's just getting to the subway. Where is it at? I can't get there without the maps. Thank you. So, yeah. You wanna see New York? So cute. Diet starts back on Wednesday. Since I am not supposed to have bread, but look at it, it's so good. That olive oil is so nasty. I don't know, like, is it just real Italian olive oil? I don't know. Hopefully the Branzino is good, but yeah, it is. I was scared because it has something I never heard of in it, and I was like, F it. This looks like heaven. Nope, looks good. Y'all know Big Mama ain't never played. Okay, thank you. It was actually pretty good, obviously. Some of the goodies I got. So, of course, when I went to the Noyz event, got my name. This actually, like, not even joking. Everyone has been spelling me. It's so long lasting, so I'm definitely a new fan of Noyz. This was cool. This is NYX Smushy. It's matte lip balm. I don't know how to feel about it, but like it feels very velvety. I'm not just used to matte, but yeah. Then I was so excited. I love these peel off liners. I already used it, so it's good. I have had 4. Now I have the color 3, which is rose pink. I have 4, which is hazel. And then this smells good, and it's by a black woman, thank you. The Good Shay. This smells like milk, like a good milk, like a milky. And then my friend swears by this, so I'm so excited to use this. Salt XO. I didn't smell it. Let me see what it smells like. Very basic, which you don't need a scent down there, so. We'll see, child. We'll see. And then these are, I think, a black-owned pad brand, Rain. And then I've always wanted to try this, the basket. Like, it's so popular on TikTok. If you've been on TikTok, you've seen it. So I think I did try it, and honestly, it was just okay. The gummy was better, but hey, everybody edges is different. So you try it out and you see. Yeah, I did use it a little bit. So I was like, it's okay, but. Then I got there, which, thank the Lord, scalp simulator. I needed some more hair growth. Ran out of Secret. I'm getting Secret back Black Friday, thank you. And then Miel. I don't care. Miel didn't take my hair out, so I love Miel. Thank you. So this is what I got from Target. Bedazzled Daisy. I don't know. Customized kit, mint and body fragrance and mirror and bedazzling kit. Okay. And some more Baskin Lather. So we got the curling gel, curling coiling jelly, and curling cream. Strengthening shampoo, replenish conditioner. And then the deep conditioner as well. Aloe and honey. Classic hairspray by Blake Brown. Okay. Black currant and vanilla. Let's see. Actually smells very good. Then I got another smooshie. And some, can never run out of these. Some Naturium Vital Glow Lip Balm. Wonder what color. It says shimmer. Oh. Interesting. Oh, so it's like this color, a little berry. And yeah, more edge control. Thank you.